Hi, my name is Rodrigo Sarabia Torres. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Culiacan, Sinaloa, Mexico. I come from a very traditional family. We're Catholics, and they are both from the same town, which is mainly focused on agriculture. So my parents are farmers, especially my father. My mother has a degree in accounting, and I decided to study renewable energies. When I was looking for a career, I saw the career and really catch my attention because it was something different. It wasn't the typical electrical engineering, mechanical, or electronics engineer. And I decided to start it. Once I got into the university, I really loved the career that I chose, and solar energy really catch my attention for all the theoretical, technical, and also the opportunities that the market had to offer me. In that time, thinking about the future, the opportunities that I could get, and also that it was something different here in my state. And when I started studying the career, it was 2017, and I studied for about 4.5 years. And as we all know, the pandemic started in 2020, which made us all go home. I decided to take a decision, which was to study and work at the same time. And that's how my journey in the solar industry began, which was as a technician. I started from the very bottom to learn everything, to learn all the basics, to learn how everything is mounted, installed, and connected. When I started, I had the theoretical knowledge, but I didn't have the technical knowledge, which is something really important for you to be a successful engineer. I started in a company called Radiol. I worked there for about 6 months. Once I realized that I wasn't going to get anywhere in that company, I decided to move on and seek for other opportunities, which led me to be a designer, a supervisor, and then the person in charge of the solar area. And that was my last job, which I was the person in charge of solar projects, basically the person who was running the solar area. And I was looking for a better opportunity because the conditions here in Mexico, and especially for people who work in the field, are not very favorable for anyone. They are really rough, really tough. The line of work, it's really hard. The working hours are very heavy. And also the payment, it's nothing that you can be surprised of. And the security measures that they have are very bad. They basically don't exist. Everything just to save money. And that's what led me to Elastic. When I was looking for a new job, I saw the job description in Elastic in Indeed, which is a website for job seekers. I saw the description. I really liked the description. Then I had an interview. I really liked the energy. The offer that they made me was amazing. And I took it without thinking about it too much, And then comparing Elastic to my other jobs, really, it's really a difference that you can see. The payment in my previous job was always late. Here in Elastic, it's never late. The working hours are always respected here in Elastic. In my other jobs, were not respected. And also, management, it's really different. Here they let you know what they want and how they want it, which is really important for me when you're trying to deliver a job, to deliver a project, sorry. And well, then a couple of weeks or maybe a month ago, they offered me this opportunity to go and work in the in the United States, which for me it's amazing. It's something that I've been looking for. It's something that I always dreamed of here in Mexico. When you start to work, and when you start to study something, you started to get out of the country, even if it sounds ugly, if it sounds bad, but the conditions are not really good. Security, it's not really good, especially in the state where I am from. And this opportunity for me, it's amazing. It's something that I want, and I took it. When they told me about the opportunity, I didn't even think about it, and I said yes. And for me, it's really important because it's something that it's going to make my parents proud, my family proud. I'm the oldest brother of 4, and I'm going to make them proud and show them that there is a way to be successful in life. And for me, making a life over there, it's something that everyone dreams of, to gain some stability and also to make a living out of what you really like. And what I really like is the solar industry, and making a living out of it. It's something that I cannot reject.